And prosecutors say on those jail calls, Stephen Gale talked about having access to a lot of money, in contrast to what he told the judge under oath. Stephen Paul Gale wheeled into court for a status hearing on his criminal case, where he's represented by a court-appointed, taxpayer-funded attorney because he told the judge he's indigent. But the lead prosecutor is raising concerns about that claim after listening to his calls to a girlfriend from the Billerica House of Corrections, where he's been locked up.
Mr. Gale continues to talk about access to funds, sending funds to this woman to assist her and her daughter.
Assistant District Attorney Catherine Folger told the judge Gale has also been speaking to another woman who has access to his financial accounts.
Woman, unclear if she's an accountant, a girlfriend, or a combination of both. She's been living on those accounts for the last 8 or 9 months, that they were accounts that they set up together, and that he still has access through his counsel in LA to be checking the balances on those accounts.
Prosecutors say Gale's also in the process of selling his 76-foot yacht, the Dior, worth $750,000. The boat where police found him last August before he led them on the chase through LA.
My concern is that a lot of it just may be quote unquote bluster based on what I understand.
Gale's attorney, Deborah DeWitt, says she's just learning of the calls and has no information that there's any truth to the claims.
Once I receive the phone calls from the Commonwealth, I will clearly sit down with Mr. Gale and go over them and address each and every phone call. I think at this point in time, we have some very uncorroborated information, and that's all we have right now.
Now, the judge said he could review the jail calls, and if he finds anything that calls into question Gale's indigency, he will hold a hearing to investigate. Now, the next status hearing on the criminal rape case is in August. The trial is scheduled for March. Live in the newsroom, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.
And we know you'll be covering it, Karen. Thank you. If you've got a tip for Karen, Brittany, and Mike, send us an email. Give us a call. 5 Investigates at WCPB.com, or there's the phone number right there, 781-433-4018.